You can see here the number of victims of child maltreatment in the United States has declined in the past decade. This is the legal and social work response to serious maltreatment has improved over the years, which is possibly the explanation for the decline. But there's also other explanations that are definitely possible. Um, Child maltreatment, though, important to know, it's neither rare nor sudden. It happens. One or both parents is usually involved. Both parents are at least usually aware, even if only one is involved. Um, it is intentional harm or unavoidable or avoidable endangerment of any child under 18 years old. So there is a high discrepancy between reported cases and substantiated cases of child maltreatment. This and here are some of the main reasons why that is. Um, Frustratingly, sometimes substantiation does require undisputable proof, and that's hard to prove sometimes. And also, some reports are just deliberately false. You hear about this a lot. Sometimes, if people are in a custody battle or something, they might make some false reports trying to um, help their case. The number of substantiated cases of maltreatment of children under the age of 18 in the United States is still too high, but it is declining from its peak in 1993. Table 6.3 in your book has signs of maltreatment in children that are aged 2 to 10. Children who were neglected also experienced greater social deficits than abused children because they were unable to relate to anyone, even in infancy. Abused and neglected children experience large and enduring economic consequences. Foster care is parents who have been vetted by the state to take care of other children. Kinship care is going to be like a grandparent or an aunt or an uncle or someone who is a close, not necessarily close, but typically someone who's a relative.